A panda felt a tickle in his nose, and as he inhaled deeply, the other animals watched with wide eyes, curious about what would happen next. With a loud and unexpected "achoo," leaves flew everywhere, scattering in all directions, prompting startled reactions from the other animals. Everyone burst into laughter, joyfully sharing the silly moment, while the panda looked around slightly embarrassed, but also happy to be part of such a fun gathering. The panda smiled shyly, realizing that even silly moments could bring friends together, filling the air with laughter and joy.